Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Cliffy's Kitchen, the place where meals are prepared with the best ingredient, which is love. Today I'm going to be doing you some Jamaican curry chicken. So follow me as we do the preparation and we'll get right into it right now. Okay friends, so it starts with cleaning up your chicken. I notice I'm taking them right out the bag right here. So you need, even if your pipe is not running, but making curry chicken, you want as less fat as ever, no skin. So you get rid of all of these here. Okay. Now it's time to put in the seasoning, and this is my favorite part. First, I'm applying some salt. And of course, in applying the salt, you got to be careful so you don't put too much. Next, I am putting in a little black pepper, and then I am putting in some onion powder, and I'm going to get these together, rub these in together. You see, when you do this, you are, as we say, the taste of your meat is gonna depend on, to a large extent, how you apply the seasoning. So each set you put, you try and get it in together so that it's evenly distributed. Enjoying the video so far, guys? Don't forget to like and subscribe. So friends, here we have our scallion mixed with oregano, and then we have our onion chopped, that's small. Then we have our ginger right here, and then our garlic, and of course our thyme. Alright, just applying them. Of course, you don't have to put them in the order I have it here. Ginger, get it out there, and we have our onion. We have our thyme and our scallion with oregano. This is gonna make for a real tasty treat. And it's time to get them in there. So you stir them together. Notice it looks very sumptuous. I like to smell the end product already. Alright, that will do. More will come when it's time to get in our curry. And okay guys, here is my special blend of seasoning. This really is gonna take your meal or the taste to another level. I'll tell you some more about this in a future video. Alright, here, this is 1 tablespoon, and a second one, and this will do. This is about 4 to 5 pounds of meat, of chicken, and you certainly do not need any more of this in this quantity of chicken. Alright, time to stir in this really special seasoning. Guys, now it's time to add the curry. Remember, we're doing curry chicken. I have with me here 2 brands. That's the Indian curry, and this is curry in the generic form. I really got this one from Jamaica. You can choose to use any one you want, but really I'm going to use this one right now. I'm going to be stirring in my curry now. And if you are wondering why I choose to do the curry last, the curry has a strong flavor, and one of the things it does is like it seals in the flavors of the ingredients you have put before. So when you put the curry last, you know that everything is gonna stay inside there. So I'm now going to cover this up and let it marinate in the fridge for about an hour, after which it will be good to go to the stove. Okay, we're using some olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil to do the cooking, and we got to be very measured here because you don't want your food to be too greasy, so that amount will do. Alright, so we're gonna put the chicken in the pot now. So I just catch a little water to kind of get out the thicker part of the residue of the curry. And notice it's not a lot, because you don't want to be adding a lot of water to your curry chicken. It will spring its own water as it cooks, so this little will help it to get going. And so we're gonna cover this up now, and after maybe about 8 minutes or so, we come and give it its first stir. Okay, now that this has been here for the last 10 minutes, it's about time we stir it. You know, stirring plays a vital role in your cooking, especially of curry. Yeah, stirring it really, even from this stage, start to bring the gravy together. And as you remember, we tip just a little bit of water. Notice what is there now. So it springs its own water, and it will eventually boil down to just the gravy consistency that we want it at. So we're gonna cover back up and let it go on cooking until it's time to add, you know, a little garnishing carrot and your Irish potato, you know, diced up. So when we get there, we'll take it back on board. Okay, we started cooking our chicken on high flame for 20 minutes, and for the last 15 minutes we take it down to medium. Now it's time to add in our diced carrot and Irish potato. Okay. Good. Man, if you were here to smell this thing, it smells so good. Can't wait to have some. Anyhow, we will now leave this for the next 10 minutes, and by then we should be good to go, turning off our fire. Okay guys, wow, isn't it pretty? It looks amazing, it smells amazing. Just imagine the taste. Personally, I like to have white rice with my curry, so I prepared some. I hope you really did like my first video. There are many more to come. I'm gonna encourage you, please tell your friend and tell your friend to tell their friend and their friend to tell their friend. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you'll be happy working with me. See you on my next video.